So hey guys, we both are back and we unboxed this gun. So we are gonna show you the features. It has four of these. One here, five. Yes, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are iron sights, and they like on the Rampage, the vents are still on this gun, and it is of accustrike series. And this is not a magazine. It's a dart storage, and it like very sharp. And this is top loading. Here we put a dart in there like this, and we shoot it like that. And it is powerful, but it is not powerful than the Rampage. And if we load it, and there is a indicator to tell if it is loaded or not. And there are so many screw holes. I don't know why.
The handle is very good. I like
very
it.
comfortable.
Yes.
And they painted only one side.
Yes, they are not painted over here. That
It is written, but it is not painted. If you can see there, nerf.
Yes.
And the vents are again, and there are so many screw holes. And this is not rubber. It is all plastic. So there is a guard, so you will not hit your fingers on the floor.
And there is
two dart storage. It is not a magazine, and there is one tactical rail on the bottom. Then nothing
more interesting.
I don't know why accustrike series have these like sharp sides. I don't know. This is a barrel. This is from here to here. This is all barrel.
Empty. It is all empty.
It is for designs.
Yes.
The bullet is right there.
The main things are over here, and this
the mechanism is
empty.
at the front, and there are FCC labels here. So now we are gonna do now we are gonna do the firing test.
We did not open the
bullets
in
the box.
extra
We
bullets.
bought.
Look, we did not open them.
We bought the separate bullets.
Yes, we bought some separate
now
bullets and we opened.
We are
them.
gonna do the firing test. We are gonna show you from here. And they're pretty accurate. Dart storage, so we can take out the bullet from here and load it in the top. So the thing I don't like about this gun is we load it from the top. So yeah, so please subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the bell notifications.
Peace out.
Bye.